What's up, everyone? It's Cy, the real estate guy, back with another exclusive new construction tour. Today, we're stepping inside one of my favorite starter models, the Violet by Ashton Woods, located in the rapidly growing Santan Valley. Make sure you stick around until the end to see the full floor plan in detail. The Violet isn't just a starter home, it's a masterclass in spatial efficiency. We're looking at a 1,567 square foot layout featuring 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, designed with a sophisticated split floor plan that maximizes privacy for the primary suite. The culinary hub. The kitchen is the heart of this home, featuring a generous corner pantry and your choice of premium granite or quartz surfaces, depending on the design package you select. Open concept living. The living area is perfectly positioned adjacent to the kitchen, creating a seamless flow for entertaining or relaxing. The primary retreat is tucked away for ultimate seclusion. The primary suite features a dual vanity ensuite, the classic his and hers setup, and a dedicated toilet room for added privacy. Indoor-outdoor synergy. One of my favorite features is the massive center sliding glass door, which invites natural light and provides effortless access to your outdoor living space. A quick note on professional representation. Before you head out to these models, remember, agency matters. On your very first visit to a new construction site, you should always be accompanied by your preferred buyer's agent. If you walk in alone, you risk being represented solely by the builder's sales staff. Their loyalty is to the developer's bottom line, not your best interests. Having an advocate like myself ensures your interests are protected and your incentives are maximized. Ready to find your dream home? The Violet is available in several sought-after pockets across the valley. If you want the latest pricing or current builder incentives, my contact information is in the description below. If you like this type of content, feel free to like and subscribe for more.